If you experience motion sickness when using your phone while traveling in a car, then iOS 18 can solve this problem of yours. There's a new feature in iOS 18 called the motion sickness cues. You can turn this feature on and you won't face any motion sickness after this. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on accessibility. After this, select motion. Now you will see an option called show vehicle motion cues. Tap on it. After this, select on. Now as you can see, some white dots appear on the screen. So these are the dots for the motion cues and will help prevent motion sickness. If you select on, then you will always see these dots even if you are not in a vehicle. Instead, you can select automatic. This will show the dots when the vehicle is in motion. When the vehicle stops, the dots will disappear. So this is how you can use motion cues in iOS 18. I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.